You're watching MK Awards 2014 and it's the greatest night ever.
Hi, ek is Anush en ek is by die MK Awards afterparty. Baie fyndes mense hierso.
My naam is Karinel en ons is vanaand hier by die MK 2014 Awards. Baie welkom.
Hey everybody, how's it going?
Hi, we at the 2014 MK Awards. Big shout out, Power.
Big shout out, it was great, it was awesome, beautiful people, awesome awards.
Hey, I'm Matthew Mole, I'm at the MK Awards and it's a lot of fun.
Awesome, Ruben. Prettig. Beste aand van my lewe.
It was a really cool evening. Hashtag MK Awards. It's been really cool.
Yeah, you heard the man, he said it all. Good to be at the MK Awards.
Can't remember your name again.
My name is Karine.
Karine, it's a pleasure to meet you.
For real, that's my mom's name. This is non-alcoholic beer, Mom. I swear to you.
My hoogtepunt is om hierdie Featherbouwers te gesteel het en om dronk te word na die tyd.
Shoo-wee.
I made a new invention, by the way. Double parking with one hand. Magic. See, now my brandy's stored at the bottom for now, but I can drink my wine at the same time.
What can you say?
It's magic.
What is this, a drink for ants?
We thought the best live performance of the evening was Sean Jacobs. He absolutely rocked the stage.
Sean Jacobs was, oh man, he's just great, hey, wow.
Ek het regtig baie van Sean Jacobs gehou. Sean Jacobs se stuff is fantasties.
That riff he plays in that song, oh gosh man, it made me really excited. Actually, I heard his stuff like on radio a while ago and I thought he was international, I didn't know he was local. Yeah, he's good, he's great.
Why are you taking this baby home?
It's 20 years of demonstration of craziness.
This is the reason why, Mummy, I never sleep. I come back home with so much dust every August first weekend.
Shout out to Hoppy Copy fans. Shout out to the most hardest working crew in the country.
And that's why I don't have a friend.
It was really cool to see Short Straw win 2 awards because I think it was very well deserved. They were amazing and they're my friends. So that's cool.
Our highlight has been the whole evening. It's unreal. This is the best night of our lives.
My gunsteling is Short Straw.
You guys are like the new fucking shit.
Thank you so much. You're too kind. Short Straw, I think, were fantastic.
Because I love those guys.
At their prime, yeah. I love their music, they're cool, yeah.
Wat ek love van hulle is hulle overthink nie goed nie. Hulle doen net wat hulle wil doen. I really like Short Straw.
We were really hoping for Best Album, which was great to win.
En die wenner is beste album. Short Straw!
We did not think we were going to win Best Video, and that's amazing. So for us, this is really it's really great. Thank you so much to everybody who voted and everybody who was a part of the videos and the albums.
They played as well in like these colourful tuxedos and hats. That was.
Bly vir almal maar spesifiek Short Straw met hulle awesome outfits. Hulle verdien 'n bonus.
Pretty fantastic, so I really enjoyed that.
En hulle outfits was amazing.
Let's be honest. Where else could you get pink tuxedos and orange tuxedos and baby blue tuxedos and other blue tuxedos? Kreersdorp. I think Short Straw are amazing. And Shane Durant is amazing as well. And they were awesome on stage. We needed to kind of up our cred by getting a guy from a band that was really famous. So we got Shane Durant from Desmond and the Tudors to come and play with us. So we just like to thank Shane Durant for being the purest person we know and for donning the white suit and for doing the rap. He's the only rapper on our album.
Yes.
Yes. Thanks, Shane. If you can't wink, you just have to turn sideways and blink.
You look so pretty. And I like your pony. It's so pretty. Jeremy Loops. Oh, hello.
My highlight of the evening tonight was probably winning that award. I won an award tonight. That was exciting.
What was your highlight of the night?
Watching you win an award. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Ek love sy live shows. So ek dink hy verdien regtig wat die award wat hy gekry het. Ek dink regtig hy verdien dit.
I enjoyed sharing this microphone with you.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm still enjoying it.
Thank you so much, Jeremy Loops. Bye. Keep you in the loop. Keep you in the loop.
Back.